today I'm going to be talking about how you can calculate the number of batteries you need for your solar power system. As the owner, if you understand this process, you can be part of the build-up for your solar power system. And as an engineer or technician, you can be able to give the right number of batteries for the solar power system. So to calculate the number of batteries you need for your project, definitely you need to understand the energy consumption for the day. Sometimes you might want to use 8 hours, your load for 8 hours. You might want to run your load for 10 hours. You might want to run your load for 24 hours. And considering all some other factors like you not being at home. So you have to multiply the power required for the day by the number of hours. So it's going to give you the energy required for the day. And let's assume that your load is around, let's say, 3,600 watts, and you want to run it for like 10 hours. So it's going to be 3,600 watts times 10, and that is going to give you what? 36,000 watt hour. So that is going to be your energy you require for the total battery capacity. That is the whole battery you need for the day equals the total backup energy. Do you understand? Which is the energy you require for the day divided by the battery voltage, divided by the battery efficiency, divided by the depth of discharge of the battery. For example, we have 36,000 watts in our calculation. So we're going to divide it. Maybe we're going for the battery voltage of 12 volts. Some will be 48 volts. It all depends. So we're going to divide. So in this case, we're going for 12 volts. We divide 36,000 watt hour by 12 volts. We divide it by the battery efficiency. Let's assume that is 0.85 now. And we also divide it by the depth of discharge of the discharge we're using is 0.80. That is 80%. So this is how far the battery can discharge. Do you understand? Before it is charged up again. And the lower the DOD, the better, and the higher the lifespan of your battery. Do you get that now? So you need to consider that. So if you don't consider, you just carry any number of battery and start using it. It's going to make your system not, reliable. Do you get it? So from the example we actually calculated earlier on, so the total backup energy is 36,000 amps hour. So we're going to divide it by the battery voltage, which is 12, then battery efficiency, which is 0.85, then divided by the depth of discharge of the battery. So that is going to give us total required battery capacity for the day, which is actually in amps hour. Now the number of battery, that total number